Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can send invoice on Wise. So for that you need to open up your Wise account, and after that make sure that you are on home page, and here you will find all the currencies that you have account for. And after that you need to just click on a particular currency that you want the invoice to be sent on, and after that you will be able to find the option of request over on that particular currency. Just click on that uh, request button or option, and after that you will be able to fill up the details like how much amount that you want to request. And after filling all the details, on the next page you will be able to find an option of upload, where you can upload a invoice there. So in order to make an invoice you can use this platform, and it is called online invoice builder. So here you can just click on create invoice, and you can easily create any invoice as per your requirements. And after that you can just add that invoice file to your Wise account while requesting money, and this is how you send invoice on Wise. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.